Hello once again to another episode of Travel Chef. Well, today we are going to make something different, and that is for the evening dinner. We thought of making Maggi. So with Maggi, we just can't eat Maggi the same usual way. So we made something different. So we have made Maggi with vegetables and with some eggs. So we have, let's call it the Egg Maggi Noodles. So let's see how it is made. Come on. To make an Egg Maggi noodles, we have got 200 grams of haricot beans which we have cut, and then 200 grams of carrot also which we have cut into small pieces. We have got 100 grams of green frozen peas, 3 eggs, and a family pack of Maggi noodles. So apparently this is around 560 grams. So the Maggi noodles that we have bought is 560 grams. So totally these are the ingredients necessary to make our Egg Maggi noodles. The cooking process is we light our stove. It has to be on high flame. Next we take in a large vessel which needs to be clean and dry, and we have placed it on a stove. Now it is hot enough. Now we have taken around 10 grams of butter. But however it's your choice, you can take vegetable oil or you can use butter like us. But butter gives a little extra taste. We wait for a butter to melt. Now we crack 3 eggs and we place it into the butter. Now we have cracked 3 eggs and we have placed it in the vessel. To scramble our eggs, we need 1/4 teaspoon of salt, then 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, now our eggs are ready and scrambled. Now we need to keep it aside as this is one of the base ingredients. Now we pour 4 tablespoons of vegetable oil or cooking oil to sort our vegetables that we have kept aside. We are waiting for the oil to get heated up so that we'll start dropping in the vegetables. Now the oil is hot enough, and then we start dropping in the chopped beans that we have kept aside. Now we have added the carrots too. We next need to sort the vegetables. Next we add the frozen peas and then combine all the vegetables together. We add 1 teaspoon of salt. Now we stir all the ingredients together. We continue to stir our vegetables until they are soft enough, and then we add a little water. This is for the vegetables to cook. We have cut our Maggi and we have placed it aside. All the noodles are here and we have cut the masalas too and we have kept it aside. Next, once the vegetables are soft enough, we will be adding these noodles as well as the taste maker along with the cooked vegetables. Now we lower the stove and we cover our vegetables and we wait till they get cooked. Now the estimation of quantity of water that we need to use for cooking the Maggi. So we have got around 8 pieces of Maggi over here. According to the instructions, they say 200 ml per Maggi piece we need to take. So that works out to around 1.6 liters for 8 pieces of Maggi. So we have taken a liter of water to cook our Maggi noodles. Now we have kept 1 liter water ready. This will be used as one of the ingredients that we have kept aside to cook our Maggi noodles. Now our vegetables is cooked. We need to pour the water that we have kept aside. So 1 liter of water that we have kept aside. We raise the stove on high flame and we wait for the water to boil before we drop in our Maggi noodles. As the water gets heated, we drop in the the Maggi masala or the taste makers that we have cut from the sachets. Now we stir to ensure the masala mixes with the vegetables. Now we wait for the water to boil. Now we add the noodles. We break it into 4 parts before adding it in, along with the masala and the taste maker. Please do not add the Maggi as it is. As we all know, it's better to break it up into 4 parts. Also, breaking the noodles into smaller pieces, smaller chunks, will help to cook the noodles faster. Now we ensure all the parts of the noodles are submerged with the soup, with the taste maker soup. Now our noodles are almost soaked and they're a little soft. They got mixed up with the vegetables and the masala soup. As the water is less, we now pour 1 more cup of water into the noodles. We have poured 0.2 liters of water for 8 pieces of Maggi noodles that we are going to make. Now the final ingredient to be added is the eggs that we are going to drop in. We mix the eggs along with the noodle. Our noodles is ready. We need to switch off the stove. We switched off our stove. There is no need to ensure that the water is fully evaporated. We keep a little water because as we cover and leave our Maggi noodles aside, the water gets evaporated automatically. We close our Maggi noodles and we wait for some time so that the remaining water will evaporate. Now our noodles is ready. All the water has evaporated and it's ready to be served. We request you to try this recipe at home and let us know in the comment section below. We hope you like watching our videos and request you to like and subscribe to our channel. Please don't forget to hit the bell icon for notifications regarding our future recipe videos. Well, until the next video, take care, stay safe and see you soon. Bye bye.